I think this is a bad idea. That's my opinion.
What if all the hot part is right in there? Is that possible?
It smells like a tea. That's so strange. Yeah, it's sweet. Hey, you get a little spiciness in there. You know, it's not like, you know, it's because I took out the seeds. It's actually quite pleasant. You know, it reminds me of black wild rice. It reminds me of that flavor. When you rehydrate that and you pull the flavor out of that, that's what it tastes like. That's kind of cool. It's just pleasant. So it's actually sweet, a little bit earthy. There's a bit of spiciness, a little bit. So yeah, I can handle it.